Hey everybody, we've looking at the Firebird here, and I wanted to show you a new toy I got. I tried recording this as I programmed these, but Instagram didn't work live for whatever reason. So anyways, as you can see, the doors are locked, and when I bought the car, I didn't have any key fobs, but right here on the RPL codes, right there is the AUO code, which is for the keyless entry. I think the module is in the console, I believe. But anyways, for whatever reason, had it for 3+ years, and just now decided to go ahead and spend a little bit and buy these key fobs. What I did was I found, looking through my service manual, I found the instructions for how to program these. So I looked at eBay, and I found 2 fobs, the newer style, for I think $22, $23. I thought, well, hey, that's a cheap way to, give it a try and see what happens. So, how you program it, and these came with instructions that were decent, but not as clear as they should be. So, I'll run you through. What you do, put your key in, leave it off, pull number 17 fuse from down here, right there, your radio fuse. Then turn your key off to on 3 times in 5 seconds. You'll hear actually you won't hear anything. Then the next step is to hold the lock and then unlock at the same time for at least 16 seconds. You'll hear and see the door lock cycle, locked to unlock, and that will mean that your key fob is programmed. Turn the key off, put your fuse back in, and you'll have keyless entry. And check this out, it even has the hatch, just in case you don't believe me. So, pretty quick fix, really impressed with that, and pretty cheap. So now we can get in, get out a little bit easier.